Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook sand base. First, carefully prepare your sand base for cooking by descaling it completely. Then, make a precise incision along its belly, from the gill plate to the vent, and remove all the internal organs. Rinse the fish thoroughly under cold water, ensuring it is perfectly clean, and then pat it completely dry. This crucial step prepares your sand base for optimal seasoning and cooking, preventing excess moisture from steaming it. Elevate your sand base's flavor by seasoning it generously, both inside and out, with a blend of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an aromatic touch, place fresh herbs such as dill or parsley inside the cavity, along with thin slices of lemon or orange. Alternatively, prepare a quick marinade using 3 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Allow the fish to marinate for about 20 minutes to infuse these delicious flavors. To achieve a perfectly crispy sand base, begin by heating 3 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Carefully place the seasoned fish into the hot pan, ensuring there is enough space between pieces if cooking multiple. Cook each side for about 3 to 5 minutes, until the skin turns golden brown and achieves a beautiful crispness. The fish is fully cooked when its flesh easily flakes with a fork and registers an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper. Wrap your seasoned sand base tightly in aluminum foil with a small pat of butter and a lemon slice, then bake for approximately 15 minutes. For grilling, preheat your grill to a medium-high setting and lightly oil the grates to prevent sticking. Grill the sand base directly over the heat for about 4 to 6 minutes per side, until the flesh becomes fully opaque and flakes effortlessly when tested with a fork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.